Hello everybody, it's Jessica from Tinsita Johnson, and today I wanted to show you a style that I saw so many times on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever, and I needed to try it. So you see, what you need is very little, and we're just going to make a ponytail. This style went viral, and like I said, it looks super easy, and I just want to show you that sometimes things that look easy aren't that easy. So that is social media probably. I'm trying here to make a high ponytail. I used water because I had freshly washed hair, smoothing the hair out with this brush that I never know how you call it. So I think it's some kind of teasing brush. Grab everything together and make a tight ponytail. Check that from the back everything enters too. I'm always leaving a strand out, I don't know why. And I actually, because my hair is quite thick, doing first the ponytail and then I'm using a second hair tile, and we leave the hair in the front, and I'm giving it a second loop with the ponytail to make able to hold my hair. And now we're taking a tiny elastic and making a bit at the end a little ponytail, and I flip this around one time and another time. This should go should give a nice twist, and then we twist it and bring it over our bun. And there now starts the problem. I have my hair not long enough and ends are sticking out. This is how it looks like. So, and then my hair is so thick that it does not want to come down. So the ends that I have at the in the back, I'm just hiding under the bun, and I pin them into place. This needs much more bobby pins than it looks on the video. And then I decided to make a messy bun by bringing down this mess on my head. So just taking pieces of the top and clipping it down. You see, I'm not very happy. There are better buns I have done, and this is just water, even it looks different. Just bringing everything into the right position with water, and then I put some spray gel over. And as we have this super cute bow, and Christmas is right in front of the door, and these things can happen just when you have a Christmas dinner, then just fix it with a nice bow, and that's it. Look at this. What do you think? That's the final result. At the end, it was just a messy bun. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. Would you try it? Did you try it? Were your results better than mine? Please, I love buns, but this one is not the perfect one. You try it, you let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you soon.